20th of September, 1946. First Cannes Film Festival. On 20th of September, 1946. The first annual Cannes Film Festival opened at the resort city of Cannes, on the French Riviera. 21 countries presented their films at the festival. Since the festival took place just 1 year after the World War II, most of the films were about the war.
20th of September, 1963. Voyage for Discovery. On 20th of September, 1963. United States President John F. Kennedy proposes a joint US-Soviet voyage to the moon.
20th of September, 1980. Blizzard of Oz, released. On 20th of September, 1980, the debut solo album, Blizzard of Oz, by English rock musician Ozzy Osbourne, was released in the United Kingdom.
20th of September, 2001. War on Terror. On 20th of September, 2001, US President George W. Bush declares a war on terror while addressing a joint session of Congress and the American people.
On 20th of September, 1833, Italian journalist, soldier, and pacifist, Ernesto Teodoro Monitor, was born in Milan, Lombardy. He founded the Lombard Association for Peace and Arbitration and was the recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1907.